with Rose Emily. I hope all of you guys are doing super good today. Today I was craving asopao de camarones, which is a Dominican like ricey stew with shrimp, and I'm adding kielbasa sausages because I went to the supermarket and they were buy one get one free. So I was like, it would be so good if I add this to the asopao, sort of like a jambalaya, but not really, right? Different ingredients. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It's super quick, everything done in less than an hour. You have a quick and easy lunch or dinner idea and recipe that all of you can enjoy with your family. I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious Dominican asopao with shrimp and sausages. Let's get started with the recipe.
Hi guys, we're gonna start in my pan. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil and we're cooking at medium-high heat. What we're going to do is we're going to add 14 ounces of kielbasa sausage. What I did, just cut it into pieces. We're going to let this cook for about 2 minutes. Mix well. And after 2 minutes, we're going to mix again. That way both sides are nice and browned. And now we're ready to add our vegetables. I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoons of fresh garlic. 1 teaspoon of red onions, finely chopped. What I did was just add the vegetables into the food processor. Like my green and red bell peppers, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of that. It's sort of like a sofrito, but like in different, like separated. Basically, it's so easy. Just put the vegetables in a food processor and separate them in different bins. And then you have easy access to fresh vegetables. So good. All right, now I'm going to add 1 cup of tomato sauce. And 1 packet of Goya, achiote, and culantro, just to add color. We're going to mix very well. And now we're getting ready to add 5 cups of water. Okay, now let's start seasoning it with 1 tablespoon of salt or to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, and I have here seafood seasoning. We're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of seafood seasoning. If you have Old Bay, you can add Old Bay. We're going to mix very well. And we're going to let this start to boil. We're cooking this at medium-high heat. Once our stock is boiling, we're going to add 1/2 cup of frozen corn and 1 cup of sweet peas, frozen sweet peas. And now we're going to add 1 cup of rice, and I am using jasmine rice. We're going to mix very well. This dish is so easy. We're going to lower the heat to low. We're going to cover it up and cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, my asopao looks delicious. It's pretty much ready. We're just going to add our fresh shrimp, deveined shrimp. And I have here about 1 pound of medium shrimp. We're going to add it. We're going to add fresh cilantro on top. And now we're going to cover it up and cook for about 8 minutes on low heat. And after the 8 minutes, our delicious Dominican shrimp and sausage asopao is ready to eat. All you have to do is just add a little bit of lime juice on top. And that is it, guys. Let's serve it up. You know what's good? You can serve this with avocado or tostones on the side. I hope you guys enjoyed this delicious Dominican asopao. And I'll see you on my next video.